What's up everybody, my name is Will Orrock, host of We Evolve Dance and Fitness. And today I've got some more salsa steps for you. So the first two that we're gonna go over in today's video is Tambores, or as they would also call it, Descarga. And the other one is called Gózalo, which means to enjoy. So I'm gonna show you guys these steps, and I'm gonna show you maybe a few variations with these steps, what you can do, not just with your feet, but also with your arms and hands. Which is super important when you do dance, because you don't wanna have awesome feet and then your hands kind of do this a little bit. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our basic. And if you haven't seen the basic video before, up here in the cards, you'll see a little one. Go ahead and click that one. That's where you'll find out the very first basic steps of salsa. So here I go. I'm gonna step forward with my left foot. Here we go. We go 1, 2, 3, back with my right, 5, 6, 7. Now here's where the tambores come into play. I'm gonna go heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Now notice that when I do heel, heel, toe, toe, my knees are bent, I lift my toes off, and then I lift my heels off. Doot, 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 doot. Let me show you that from the other side. And we go. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, okay? Not only does it help you practice your balance, but it also makes your dancing a little bit more dynamic. And the good thing about that is when it's more dynamic, it's not boring, you know? And for you to always come forward with this step or back with this step or to the side or whatever, it actually changes it up, making it much more fun to dance, okay? So when we do this, we'll do it with music, and you'll see how it goes right now with the music. So you'll also see how that goes with our hands. So when I go like this, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one way. You can put your hands to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also move your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's very common to see people dance like this in the salsa world. It's something to do with the body, you know? I mean, you're moving your shoulders, your elbows, you're really getting into it. So that's what I would recommend when you're dancing on this. Of course, if you guys have any suggestions on something that you know about this step, please leave it in the comments below. All right, so now let's see it with music. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, and side. Okay, arms. See it from the other side. As you can see, the tambores is also a fast moving step, right? I mean, you heard the song, da-da-dun-dun-dun, it was really fast. So you have to be able to move fast. Therefore, don't take too large of steps, because when you do, you won't be able to get on time. Another thing to look at also is that your body is definitely more relaxed, so you can move faster, and you're down here more. So when you do this, you're able to also execute that step much easier as opposed to this, okay? So watch out for that. If you're doing that, relax your knees a little bit. Yeah, get into it. Like, again, it's Friday, you're off work, or it's Saturday, you're ready to go and, you know, dance a little bit. Something like that will definitely change how you do this step if you think about relaxing, okay? Also, there's a variation to this. So I'm gonna show you the variation, and it's cross in front and cross behind. So let me show you again. So we go back to this. I'm just gonna use the regular hands that I do. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, I step in front, cross behind, back, cross in front, and then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see that again. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you from the other side. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So that's your variation. Let's see that with music. From the other side. Okay, so that is the Tambores Descarga step. Try to practice it, try to have fun with it, play with your arms, play with different feet patterns. You might just invent something yourself. All right, so let's go on to step number 2. This step is called gózalo. Gózalo in Spanish means to enjoy, to gozar, to feel the music. So this is what we're gonna do. First of all, it's got some hip movement, some steps, kind of a pause, and then back to the basics. So watch what we do. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna do our basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, from here, I'm gonna go 1, 2, open the door, okay? Let me show you that again. From here, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, I open the door. Then from here, I'm gonna take my hip and go 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's the gózalo part. That's the enjoyment part. Nice little circle there. All right, so let's see that again a little bit quicker. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can put your hands here if you like. You can put your hands here, put your hands here. You could do a bunch of stuff. The Tambores step or the Descarga step, both follow and lead can do that, okay? So it's not limited to one or the other. So don't hesitate to try this both lead and follow if you're out there watching this video. Try it. Maybe you might do something else. You can also do a variation like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a figure 8 that I like to do sometimes. And it's a figure 8. 1, 2, 3. Here, let me show you from this way. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So same idea. So watch. Let's see it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's break it down. When you do the first gózalo, from here to 3, just this circle one, my hip is going towards the direction I first was stepping, which would be forward in this case. So I go forward and around and back, and then I collect my foot. Notice how my foot here is barely touching. All my weight is on my right foot, so now it makes it easier for me to step again with my left foot. No problem, okay? Same with the figure 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. This time, instead of going forward, I'm gonna follow the direction where my body's going, which was backwards. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I go back into my basic. 1, 2, 3. Again, like I said, you can use your arms. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. There's so many different ways you can do that. Okay? Let's see gózalo with music. Here we go. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see the figure 8 now. Try it, practice it. mess around with it, you know, see if you, again, create something that fits you. You know, not every movement, not every hip movement, not every arm position, not every, you know, posture is gonna look the same on you as it will me or someone else. So it's salsa. Have fun with it, mix and match, just like the bowl of salsa, right? You got your tomatoes, your onions, you might have garlic in it, you might have peppers, right? It's all a mix. So you guys go out there and play with it. All right, everybody, so those are the 2 steps for today. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you found value in this, please, please, please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe right here where the subscribe button is, click that thing, and then right next to it, there's a little bell button that lets you know when all my videos are coming your way. And also down below in the description, you will see dance products that will actually help you dance better. Yes, I said it, they will help you dance better on the dance floor. So go down there and look at that description. And last thing, there is a link that continues building this channel, that continues to help this channel grow and get better video quality and so much other things. So please, if you feel like you want to be a part of that and you want to help out this channel, so check out that link below to see if you want to participate in this channel's success. All right, everybody, once again, I'm Will Orrock, host of We Evolve Dance and Fitness, and I'll see you on the salsa dance floor.